Oh hell no, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dipandi G, the great God. You've clicked this video because you want a drip, but you don't have the money, you don't have the expenses for that. So you want to drip on a low budget, but maybe you're lacking creativity or just something. I got you again, man. I'm always getting you guys, like, for real. Each video I'm plugging you guys, lacing tutorials, how to do this, how to upgrade a basic outfit, how to drip for cheap. Like, I'm literally plugging you. So I'm doing all this for you, and the least you could do is just hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Simple as that. Listen, I don't even care. I still think how you dress, depending on your circumstances, I think you should make that a priority, because that's the first thing people see. Like, I really be judging people how they dress. Like, I'm not in like a bad way, like, oh, he can't afford this, he can't afford that. I mean in a way like, oh, I can tell he's got a good vibe because of the way he's dressed, or his style is nice. I could probably tell what type of music he listens to, and you can pick up on stuff. And if you see someone with a similar style, you can probably relate to them, and boom, spark a friendship. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and say like, yo, I'm a god in this industry, like I know everything about fashion. If I'm 100%, I'll be truthful. Like, when I first started my YouTube, it was just something I wanted to do, like, just for fun. I was waffling. I'm 100%. I was waffling. I had no idea what I was talking about. I was just chatting talking about fashion. I didn't know nothing. But over these past few months, especially in lockdown, I've seen all this stuff on the internet. I've been learning of other people. I've picked up a fair amount of things, and now I can say that I'm fly. I don't give a f. I know my fits are fly. Like, you can't tell me different, and that's the mentality you gotta have when it comes to this as well. Because if you don't have that type of mentality, saying you're the top, you're never gonna be the top. How can you? If you can't envision it, it's never gonna happen. Simple as that. You do not need designer to drip. I don't know what everyone's obsession is with spending £800 on a white T-shirt that says Dior on it. Or what? Are you for real spending that much money for one T-shirt when? Nah, I can't do it. It stresses me out for some reason. Like, it's not even my outfit, but it stresses me out. I could have bought like 5 different outfits for the price of one of his items, and each outfit would look 10 times flyer than any outfit that person's made. I'm just saying, yeah, like, just get that design and mentality out of your head. You don't need that stuff to drip, like, for real. But yeah, also, when you are dripping on a budget, there's some things you have to be in mind. You have to bear in your mind, because otherwise it won't work out. You have to get creative. Yeah, you have to be creative. That's like custom stuff as well, or just try new stuff. You have to be creative. You have to explore, and you have to be open-minded to try new things. Because if you don't try new things, you won't be able to progress. I've been looking for stuff online. I'm gonna start customizing my stuff. There's so many things you can do. If you really are trying to drip on a budget, watch this video. Maybe take a few pointers. Just listen to what I'm saying. If you're not, you do you. Like, I don't really care. I'm just trying to spit you some game. Like, I'm not trying to sabotage you. I'm just giving you some stuff that I've learned and what I've learned from other people as well. And also, you have to have confidence, man. If you don't have confidence in your outfits and you look all weird and feel like, oh, you could have the drippiest outfit, you could have the nicest outfit, like, and the best style. If you don't dress with confidence, it's not happening. It won't suit. Stop, man, don't do that. Nah, but all jokes aside, though, we are very close to 2,000 subscribers, which I don't even care. That's still crazy to me. It felt like the other day I just hit 1K. Yeah, nah, I can't stress enough, man. I appreciate everyone that subbed, likes, or watches any of my videos. Like, it's love. It's just literally just love. Straight love. Like, I appreciate all of you, for real. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already, man, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also hit the like button to help me out. Hopefully everyone after watching this video, they're gonna be like, you step away from it, and you're some fly mother. Man, that's the goal. That's the goal right there. But yeah, dripping on a low budget. Woo!
Gang. Squad flexing. Say you don't have fans. Yeah. Bitch, I'm turned off. I feel like I want a Grammy, yeah. Love no thought of needs. I know she cannot understand me, yeah. Speaking Guapanese, I know he cannot understand me, yeah. I'm a real. All you gotta do is hand me.
Listen, man, if there's one shoe that I drip out with for the rest of my life, it'd be the Air Forces, man. If you're really on a budget, just go buy yourself some Air Forces for sure. For the first fit, nothing too crazy. We just got these white jeans that I literally got them for like £20. Fit nothing too crazy, but to be honest, in this day and age, if you're wearing white jeans, like, you're already going to be standing out, so you don't need the fit to be too crazy. And this tee here as well, this tee was £10. I'm not even lying, this tee was £10. It's hard. Perception is real on the back. The white skeleton matches the jeans. I mean, here's the fit, man. It's nothing too crazy, but like I said, it's on a budget. This is just something simple that you could just wear out if you want to throw on some stuff but still look stylish, because the white jeans are popping. You don't need the belt. I just personally had them, but yeah, man, this outfit is cheap. It's a cheap outfit. I think it looks good, man. So for the next outfit, I tried to go for a little bit of a different style. You got the cargos, which I got from H&M. I think they were like 25, which is a little bit expensive, but for some cargos, that's pretty cheap. The flannel, I can't stress enough. Flannels are so hard. This flannel was £12. No word of a lie. It was £12. Obviously, like I said, I got the Forces on. The t-shirt, is a red diesel shirt. You could have just put a white tee on, which would be like, what? You could probably find a white tee for like £3. So overall, this fit is cheap, and I think it looks fly. I got a cap. You don't need a cap. It was just I just throw it on, but still, it's a different style. It looks good. You're dripping. Alright, so the next fit is something. It is popping a little bit more, but the jumper I actually got with the skeletons on. This jumper was £10, and it looks unique. So it stands out, and that's why I think like the drip is. It looks unique. You don't really see people wearing that type of hoodie. I've got the white tee underneath, which is nothing, costs nothing. I think the jeans were below £20 again, like some black distressed jeans, and I've got the Forces on. I also have a hat on, but you don't need the hat. But yeah, literally, it's just a colourful popping colour on the top, black distressed jeans, white Air Forces to match the tee underneath. It's simplistic, it's dripping, and you're on a budget. So, so for the next fit, I don't actually have the Forces on, but we've got some grey jeans, and I remember those being £20. I think I bought them from Topman, just grey distressed jeans. The hoodie is, I just bought that from H&M. It's just a Rick and Morty hoodie. I think it looks so cold, and I knew it'd go in my shoes. That's why I bought them at the time. Again, we just got the white tee underneath because we're on a budget. The hoodie was 25, the jeans are 20, and then obviously these fits are excluding the shoes. And then I also have a hat because the hat was the grey matches the jeans. But yeah, this hoodie is hard. £25 for a black hoodie with a print on it, that's hard. Like, I know fast fashion isn't as good, but yo, I can't stress enough how important sales are, man. I literally got these jeans for £20 on sale. You have to be checking your sales. That's where you get your drip for the low. Like, hey, yo, anyway, that is the end of the video, guys. How to drip for cheap. You know what I'm saying? I just speak you some game. I just give you. Hopefully now, yeah, you're looking fly, man. You're looking fly. You barely spent any money as well. That's the main goal of today. You spent barely any money, minimal money, but you got the minimum money, maximum drip. Minimum money, maximum drip. If you watch this far in the video, I love you. I appreciate it. Sub if you haven't. Turn on post notifications and hit the like. And I'll be out. Just stay tuned for any other videos that I have coming. Peace out.
Walk with the Glock, I don't fuck her about. Boy, I with his heavy flex talking.